Our photo walk today is in Kobe. This is Japan's 6th largest city. Despite what you see behind me, don't let that fool you. Kobe is a way different, calmer experience than what you see in the huge cities like Tokyo and Osaka. Let me show you. I'm Jefferson Graham, a lifelong photographer, writer, and video maker. I am your guide for today's photo walk in Kobe, Japan. So the whole goal of the channel is to take you to some pretty great places, primarily in the Southern California area, and occasionally around the world, to show you how, when, and where to get the best photos. Let's go explore Kobe. Kobe is a port town that many skip, preferring Tokyo, Osaka, or Kyoto. Well, on a thrill ride basis, it does pale to the bigger cities, but that's what makes it kind of fun. It's right smack in the middle of the sea and the mountains, and a fair-sized city with an international flavor thanks to the port. The trains can take you to Kyoto and Osaka and other nearby places very quickly, and while you're here, you can walk the streets without being part of a mob scene. Kind of. Kobe is best known as the home of Kobe beef, which we will explore on our lunch break. Our photo walk begins here at the Motomachi station and will continue through downtown en route to the harbor. But along the way, we're going to stop and check out some of the cool side streets as well. For more detailed mapping, check out our photo walk blog, blog.jeffersongraham.com. From the train station, cross the street, and you will find an endless shopping mall called Motomachi. Okay, so this is the Motomachi Mall. It's a little different from the ones we have in the United States in that it's thriving. There's lots of people, and it goes on and on for blocks and blocks. It's a great spot for people photography and marveling at all the English signs, some of which make no sense at all. Right next to Motomachi here is the Chinatown in Kobe. You didn't come to Japan to go to Chinatown, but there's only a handful of them in the country. This is a big, thriving, fun Chinatown, great for people shots and street food, and this I can guarantee you, probably the only Chinatown you're going to go to with Kobe beef. Kobe has the chain stores, from luxury retailers like Rolex and Chanel to McDonald's. The myth that you'll only eat sushi in Japan does not play out. There's German, Italian, Indian, Mexican, and more hamburgers and chocolate than you've ever dreamed that you might see in Japan. From downtown, walk a few blocks to the harbor, which is the iconic postcard shot of Kobe. It's hard to take 2 steps in town without running into images of the Kobe Tower. Let's see how to get your best shot. For the classic tower shot, very simple, stand directly in front by the Kobe sign. Across the street is a fun amusement area, Harborland, that for our purposes is great, as it affords another angle on the tower and a great angle for a shot of the Ferris wheel, particularly at night. Check it out. Beyond downtown and the harbor, many people like to visit the Mount Rokko exhibit, which is said to have a great vantage point for a scenic. Unfortunately, on the day we visited, it was pretty yucky, but we did enjoy the cable car ride up to the mountaintop. The Kitano area is sort of the international hub of Kobe, where foreign merchants lived after the port was opened all those years ago. Now it's a popular tourist spot. It's fun to walk around here and would make a great backdrop for portraits. The old mansions all charge admission to get in and are pretty stuffed with tourists. Immediately next door is the Herb Garden. A short cable car will take you to the top of the mountain for a more rural side of Kobe. Again, yucky weather prevented any great skyline shots, but I love some of these overhead pictures I got from the cable car. Okay, so we're taking a lunch break now. We're going to try the Kobe beef. Kobe, of course, is synonymous with Kobe beef, which there's a lot of stories about Kobe beef. The cows are on the side, they're treated better, they're massaged at the end of the night. Sometimes they're even massaged with beer and wine. I don't know if any of it's true. I know that it's expensive and people say it's great. Let's try it. Okay, barbecue? Yes, barbecue Kobe beef. Is it as great as they say? Kobe beef, is it really great? Very good. Here you go. Thank you. Okay. Kobe beef, let's give it a try. That's pretty good. Fun street food. I don't know that I'd pay a premium for it, but it's pretty good. So good, I'm gonna have a second bite. Wow. That was really, really good. Yes. Appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye. Don't forget to check out the local tech shops while visiting. I mean, like, where else are you going to see such oddities as these colorful humidifiers, the wacky toilets that automatically open for you, and electric closets that shake, shake, shake their booties. Not to be missed. So photo tip time, nighttime. Nighttime. Like I always say, get here early in the morning, and early in the morning is great, but this place really comes to life with all the colors and action. It's a great place for taking pictures. And the other thing is explore, explore, explore. We're on a little alley here. Just keep exploring, and the alleys are great and lots of great opportunities for photos. The waterfront is actually my favorite area. It might be considered kind of cliche-ish, but it's on every postcard. But what I really like about Kobe is it's so much smaller than some of the other Japanese cities, the mega cities. And there's all these great areas to explore. Like right now we're on this little alley with this great hamburger restaurant. There's a pizza place over there. Chinatown's right over there. And it's so close. You're just about half hour from Osaka, which is wild and crazy like Tokyo. Not as wild and crazy, but it'll give you some of that wild and crazy feel. So that's a wrap for our photo walk from Kobe. I just can't get enough of these crazy Japanese crosswalks. If you enjoyed this video, please like, please share, please comment. Please check out some of our other Japan videos, including how to photograph wild and crazy Shibuya Square in Tokyo. I'm Jefferson Graham. If you have any questions, hit me up on Twitter or Instagram where I'm at Jefferson Graham. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more photo walk videos before I get run over.